Hello, it's John, your pronunciation and accents coach. And right here you can get a better British accent. Hello, so it's John here and we're doing commonly mispronounced words. The first word is area. Area. Yes, that's right. The stress is on the first syllable. So don't say area, it's area. The next one is variety. Variety. Not stress on the first syllable, stress on second syllable. Variety. Compare that to various. Various. The next one is jewellery. Jewellery. Not jewellery, jewellery. The next one is comfortable. Not comfortable, comfortable, comfortable. Comfortable. Stress is on the first syllable. So as you can see, very importantly is how to pronounce the sounds in the words and the how to say the stressed syllables, where the stress falls in each word as well. What about recipe, receipt and prescription? What's the difference? Well, when you're cooking, you need a recipe. Recipe. When you go to the shop and you buy something, you get a receipt. Receipt. No p sound in there. No p. Receipt. Prescription is when you go to the doctor and you get a piece of paper to say that you can get pills or medicine from a chemist's. These are three commonly confused words. What about apostrophe? Apostrophe, in many languages, you say apostrophe. Apostrophe, but in English, listen carefully, it's apostrophe. Apostrophe. What about debt? Debt, debit and doubt. Debt, that's a silent b, right? So when you have no money, you are in debt. Or when you owe money to somebody, you are in debt. Or you have a debit card to take money from your current account, right? And doubt is when you don't believe something, and that is a silent b. So that is today's lesson on commonly mispronounced words. You can always subscribe to the channel or hit the like button, and also I'd love to hear your comments on which words do you find you have problems pronouncing. I'd love to hear from you, so please leave a comment. And that's it for today. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.